Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is another Talbot Express Bodge job somebody's done on the van, and it's to do with the door panels and the loudspeakers. And we've took the car radio out the van because the simple reason is it's too noisy, the diesel engine. We don't really listen to the radio, so I've utilised the space for my voltmeters for the leisure and the engine battery. Anyway, I thought I'd take the speakers out the door panels because they didn't work properly anyway, and we don't listen to the radio. Anyway, so I took the speaker out. I'll tell you about this bit of plastic, but I took the speaker out, and this is the speaker, and it's not the original one. And what somebody's done is bodged it as normal. People do these things. This is an original speaker front, and it was a speaker, and basically they've cut it. This bit here, they've cut it, and you can see it's a jagged edge. So that was the original speaker, which went over there quite neatly. And this is the speaker that was fitted. Excuse me. Now, it was only held on by 2 screws, and you can see there's one there and one there. So that was fitted like that. I'll turn it the other way so you can see. So that was fitted like that, and you can see it doesn't even fit in the hole, so it's just dangling there. And the other thing is, something you may or may not know, fitting door speakers into doors, you need to fit speakers with a water hood, or speakers that come with a separate water hood you fit. Now what a water hood does is prevent water from going inside the loudspeaker, because inside the panels and inside your doors you get a certain amount of water runs down the glass and actually into the doors, and it runs out the bottom. Now if you haven't got a water hood on your speaker, it runs into the cone here and it rots the speaker out, which is what's happened. You can see there's bits of rust. And the hood on the speaker is basically a piece of plastic that goes over the top like an umbrella would be, and it stops water from getting down in here. So if people tend to buy a couple of speakers and fit them in the doors, and a couple of years later they're knackered, you have to put another couple in. And that's what's happened. So that's a complete, absolute bodge. And what I'm also doing in the Talbot Express, it has bottom door vents, and these ventilate the van. Now bearing in mind it's a motorhome, and it's got vents for the cooker, vents for the heaters, vents in the roof. And what I found when I'm sitting in the front seats, you know, it's a windy day in the winter, the air blows through these terrible. So what I've decided is to block them off, and I'm blocking them off with Gorilla Tape. That's the back. So I don't need the vents in the doors. And because we're not using the speakers, I've cut a piece of plastic, and I'm going to use the same fixing holes, and you can see I put one in this, and again on the back I've used Gorilla Tape just to hold it in place, but the screws will go through it when I put this front back on like that, so it stops the air from coming through. But as I say, this is a right bodge somebody's done. It's a dreadful thing to do, is to put a speaker like that and only hold it by one fixing. It should be completely held in for proper sound, and it should have this water hood or shield on. And this one's solid. The cone's rusted solid in it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and hope you found it interesting.